Sagar. Blessings to everyone, and I wish everybody, all the Keralites around the globe, a very happy, prosperous Onam. With Bali Chakravarti's story, I see it little differently than what people think about. Like Rama Raja is an ideal Raja for North, Bali's Raja is a great is a kingdom for the South, for Keralites. An ideal society is called Ramaraj in the North. We can say Bali Raja in the state of Kerala. So Vamana came and put his head on Bali. That means he has blessed him. He has blessed. So you should see it this way, not that he pushed him into Patal. He never pushed him into Patal. He sent him to another Sutala. Sutala means, Tala means land. Sutala means that land which is even better, in a better place. So that is how it should be interpreted. Bali recognized his ego, then he surrendered. It's not that he was not punished. It should not be seen as Bali Chakravarti being punished. Rather, Bali Chakravarti was blessed and elevated. And he was given the assurance, I am with you all through, always. This is the promise of Lord Vamana to Bali. So it should be seen in a different way. And Kerala celebrating Onam, Tiruvonam, that is Shravana Nakshatram in this month, with the cultural and social bonding that is happening from ages. We can say this is one of the oldest festival in this continent of India, of Asia. I don't think there could be any older than this, because after Nrsimha Avatar, Prahladas, of course, Holi is there, but then Vamana Avatar, then Bali Chakravarti is this advent, which he was blessed to celebrate the Onam in his memory by the entire population is being carried on even till today, where everyone come together and exhibit their innate nature of sense of belongingness and oneness of humankind. With all cultural programs, with sadhya and sharing, it's fantastic, very nice. And all the volunteers and all the Kerala teachers and volunteers and devotees, they have done excellent work. And Ona Shamsagal to everybody. And the teachers from Kerala are not just in Kerala, they are all over the world. Our Swamis from Kerala are taking care of the entire world today. Some in the east, some in the west, some north, some south. And so also there are Malayalis around the globe who are with us now today in this beautiful celebration. It's very moving celebration, very nice. And I also gave, same Ona Shamsagal I would send my own Ashram Sangal to all the important people, leaders of society, to the Chief Minister, and all others, heads of different faith. Today, head of Christian faith and Muslim faith, they have all joined us in this celebration and making the whole population feel Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is here. We are all part of one family. This message they have given by participating in Tiruvonam. So, congratulations to the team and Onasham Sangal to everybody. Like you have in Christmas, Santa Claus going from home to home and distributing sweets and gifts. In Kerala, you have this tradition of Bali Chakravarti going around. It's very nice. We keep up this culture, this tradition. Don't let it go. Don't let this disappear. We should do this in all the districts, in every village. And it's a festival that bonds us together. It's a festival that gives us an opportunity to express the true love that we are all made up of. Yeah? So let's continue.